Hey guys, it's Jonah's YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'll be showing you my new Audubon birds. I'm gonna show you Blue Jay first. I know you already know him, but he has a little message. So Blue Jay has a little message. He's gonna say it. Hi everybody. Who's watching? If Justin's watching, hi. If Dylan's watching, hi. If anyone else watching, hi. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you my new northern flicker. And as you can see, he's really detailed. Like if you ever saw one of these birds, it looks like this, kind of. Now you hear a sound. Hey guys, now I'm going to show you my new Baltimore Oriole. He's really detailed, as you can see. This is my favorite bird that I have. Now I'm going to play a sound. Hey guys, now I'm going to show you my new peregrine falcon. Here he is. He's really detailed, as you can see, just like all the other birds. Now I'm going to play a sound. Bye guys.